Hello, Josh Stevens here, Head Geek at SolarWinds. Today I'm going to demonstrate some best practices for troubleshooting internet connectivity using the engineer's toolset, and specifically the new Workspace Studio. As a network engineer, troubleshooting internet connectivity is a common occurrence. Many times users will call and say that the internet is slow or even that it might be down. And our job then is to figure out why their perception is that the internet is slow or that it's down. To do that, you want to look at the core router connecting you to the internet, any gateway devices, and specifically any firewalls. Let's create a new tab to do that. I'm going to create a new tab and name that specifically for internet connectivity. And then I want to grab a few gauges and other gadgets on the page to make this easy. So what I'd want is I'd want a CPU gauge for my internet router, one for my firewall probably, a response time chart to demonstrate to me speed of our connection to the internet to specific sites that my users access, and let's go ahead and grab a trace route as a first step. Next, you want to grab the devices that apply, like the internet gateway router, and drag it over onto the gauge. Simply choose next, select CPU, and you're done. I also want to do the same thing for my fixed firewall, as that's between these users and the internet. Once that's done and I see how their devices are performing, I probably want to go ahead and grab some common web addresses that these users tend to access and start tracking response time to those sites as I make changes. I might also want to grab this particular site they're complaining about, in this case Salesforce.com, and do a trace route to it. Now if I see that one of the hops is exceptionally slow, like this one, I can drag it over on the response time chart and start to get more detail about that. Now, of course, this is only the first few things you'd want to do in troubleshooting internet connectivity. The next thing you might want to do once you've established connectivity and you see that there may be a problem is start looking at tools like the real-time NetFlow traffic analyzer, also included in the tool set. Because the real-time NetFlow traffic analyzer makes it very, very easy to see who's using your bandwidth and what they're doing with it. Again, Josh Stevens here, Head Geek at SolarWinds. This is how you would troubleshoot internet connectivity using the new Workspace Studio, a part of Engineer's Toolset version 10. Please go to SolarWinds.com and download your own copy today and try it out for yourself. Thanks.